The life cycle of a frog.
Oh gosh,
Hello,
you scared me.
Who are you?
I'm Ribbit Croaksalot, and the pretty lady there is Hoppy Croaksalot, my wife.
Hello, Miss and Mr. Croaksalot. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you both. I always wanted to learn about frogs. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, I'd love to do that. But how about me showing you around, Anna?
Oh, that'd be even better, Mr. Croaksalot.
To begin with, we frogs are amphibians.
What? What does that mean?
Amphibians. It means that we can live on both land and water, you see? We are special, aren't we, my dear?
Of course you are. And oh, so lucky. I love the water.
Do you see the frog spawn here?
Spawn? Where?
Those are our little babies.
Babies? But why don't they look like you? I look like Mama, but the spawns...
All right. No worries. Let me explain the life cycle of a frog first.
What's a life cycle?
Life cycle is the series of changes an organism goes through in its life.
Oh, really?
We frogs go through 4 important stages. The first is the egg stage. Our babies you just saw. The female frog lays hundreds of eggs in the water. These eggs are clumped together and are called frog spawn.
Oh, I see.
The eggs begin as small black dots covered in a jelly-like substance. After some time, each dot develops a tail and begins to look like a comma, just like those eggs you see there. The teeny-weeny tadpole hatches out.
Is that a tadpole? How can it be a baby frog? It looks like a baby fish.
Yes, it does. This is the second stage. The tadpole doesn't move around much.
What does it eat then?
It absorbs the nutrients from the yolk. Once the yolk disappears, the tadpole begins to look around for food. The tadpole swims in the water, just like a fish. It has gills and a tail, just like the fish. Since the tadpole can't come on land, it eats the algae and plant material it finds around. In the next 14 days or so, it transforms completely. It grows hind or back legs first, and its tail grows longer. After a few days, the front legs also pop out.
But it still looks like a fish.
The transformation is not complete yet, Anna. The tail shrinks. The skin covers the gills. The tadpole develops lungs and eardrums. And soon, the body takes shape, and the tadpole becomes a froglet. This is the third stage, where the froglet is all set to begin its life on land. The froglet often needs to jump out of the water to breathe with its lungs. Look at that little fella leaping out of the water.
Aha! At last, it looks like a frog, but it has a tail.
Yes, the tiny froglet emerges out of the water with a stump of a tail. The gills and tail disappear completely. The adult frog with its green coat and a vest, all white and clean, is ready to begin its journey. When it's time, the female frog goes back to the pond to lay its eggs, and the process begins.
Now I get it.
So Anna, what have you learned today?
About the 4 stages in the life cycle of a frog.
What may be they?
The egg, the tadpole, the froglet, and the adult frog.
Wonderful, Anna.
Thank you so much, Mr. Croaksalot. I need to get back home. Bye-bye, Mr. Croaksalot.
Bye-bye, Anna.